Hello, I'm Mike Savage with Roberts QEP. Today I'm going to show you a couple of features that we changed on our 10-163 toolbox. First design you'll notice is that we've taken the handles off the side and made them flush mount to where you're not busting your handles and your rivets aren't getting knocked off the end of your handles. And the other design that we've created on the inside is we've designed it so your tray acts as a seam weight for your carpet seams. This is our new design, our 24-inch made of rigid steel toolbox. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.